squishy.
Which is not a good start if you have to wear a glove to eat this. Today is our first and only day in Kuala Lumpur. We are here on a long layover before we head to Bali tomorrow. So we're gonna try and get out and make the most of our one day here. And for us, that means it's gonna be all about the food.
Kuala Lumpur is the capital of Malaysia, and from what we understand, the food culture here is a lot like Singapore, with influences from all over the region. So we're really excited to try all kinds of things today.
We are starting the day with Nasi Lemak, which is the national dish here. It's a rice dish cooked with coconut milk, and it can be eaten all throughout the day, but it's really popular at breakfast time.
We've come to a place with Nasi Lemak in the name that seems like it's a really popular local spot. When we got here, we didn't know what to expect. We just got in line. We must have looked pretty confused, but a lady behind the counter was super helpful because there's a lot of things that go with the rice. And when we went to pay, one of the locals behind us in line even paid for our breakfast. This place is awesome.
The rice is a sweet flavor from the coconut, and it's balanced out with this spicy sauce. This is really good. Big thumbs up for this place.
We could not have asked for a more welcoming start to our day.
The food was delicious, and I cannot believe that lady paid for our breakfast. She was so sweet. That's where we're headed, but we gotta go a roundabout way to get there.
I don't think that's where Google Maps wants you to go. We've just come into the Petronas Towers, which are the tallest twin towers in the world. They also have this giant mall, but that's not why we're here. We're walking through it to a really pretty park on the other side.
We've just been hanging out at the park for the past hour or so, waiting for an acceptable amount of time to pass before we go eat more food.
And now we're headed to Lot 10, which is a food court with a collection of some of the best hawker stalls from all over Malaysia.
So our Grab driver last night from the airport was actually the one who told us about Lot 10. It was like an hour ride, and we chatted with him the whole way. He gave us so many food recommendations. He was so friendly and wonderful. So I took some notes from our conversation with our Grab driver last night, and we have 3 dishes to try here, so we're gonna try and find them now. First up.
We're starting things off with Penang Asam Laksa, which is a hot and sour fish noodle soup. It is hot, and it is sour, and it tastes like fish.
Oh, yummy.
Thank you.
Next up is char kway tao, which we actually have for the first time in Singapore. It's really delicious, so I'm excited to try it again. Thank you.
Thank you.
Now we're going to wash it all down with an iced white coffee, which is a popular drink here. They actually roast their coffee beans with margarine. And I'm all about it.
After eating at such a great local spot for breakfast, it's kind of hard to follow that up with a mall food court, but that place really did have a lot of great options, and the food was delicious.
We spent the past couple of hours doing some planning for Bali, and now it's time to venture back out.
We're headed to the Central Market in Chinatown, which is really close to where we're staying here in the city center. We just did a quick walk through the Central Market, but we're getting hungry, so we're gonna head to the Pedaling Street Market because we're after some Hokkien noodles, and we were told that's where they originated. We're at Himalayan Key, which is where it's said that the Hokkien noodle first came to Kuala Lumpur. There's actually 2 locations, the original, which is where we are now, and a very westernized version just across the street.
This dish looks so saucy, which I'm all about. From what I understand, it's a mushroom and soy sauce mix. Looks delicious.
Verdict? That was really good and a lot different feel than this location.
We just hopped in a Grab because we're gonna head to one of the rooftop bars to catch the sunset.
We've just come up to the sky bar that has a great view of both the towers and the whole skyline.
Not exactly in line with our other cheap eats today, but the drinks were on happy hour until 8, and it was definitely worth it for that view.
Our final stop of the night is going to be here at the Jalan Alor street market. You can already smell it.
We are starting the night with something we have frankly been avoiding for the past 3 months, but seeing that we are leaving mainland Southeast Asia tomorrow, tonight is the night. It's now or never. We are trying durian. And he gave me a glove, which is not a good start if you have to wear a glove to eat this.
She's not quite ready to try it.
He doesn't even eat it. It smells bad. The texture looks gross. It feels gross. I really don't want to do this. You do it first.
No, you got the glove.
That's gross. The texture. Like, I just can't do the texture.
That's right. I'm getting encouragement from the crowd. Are you next? You next?
I like durian. You do?
I don't like it.
I'm okay. Neutral.
Here goes nothing.
That's a lot, baby.
It doesn't taste good. I don't think I could sleep tonight with that taste in my mouth, so we're ending the night with some ice cream.
This is more like it.